and welcome to my Holiday 2020 series here on my channel. I'm so happy you're here today because today is the first official Decorate With Me video of the holiday season. We're gonna start with the downstairs, we're gonna do the living room, the breakfast area, the kitchen, the entryway. We have lots to decorate, lots to do, and I have a lot of fun Christmas decor to show you. So let's get started. So we are starting in my entryway today. I don't know if you've noticed, but on the right of the screen, I have an already decorated entry tree. I did film that entire decorating process, but I have a really fun video coming up that's completely dedicated to decorating trees and tips for decorating Christmas trees. And I actually have 3 other trees I decorated in my home this year as well. All of those trees will be in that video. So look for that coming up soon in the series.
And now it's here. Feels like Christmas when we're all in one place. It feels like Christmas, these memories we make. And all the world is wonderful, it's on display to see. It feels like Christmas. It feels like Christmas to me. There is hope in the winter sky, and it's not that hard to find a helping hand, an open heart, another chance, a brand new start. There is a home I'm running to, another year that we've been through, and after all is said and done, to be together is enough. We only get this once a year, and now it's here. Feels like Christmas when we're all in one place. It feels like Christmas, these memories we make. And all the world is wonderful, it's on display to see. It feels like Christmas. It feels like Christmas to me. Days are filled with wonder, this time with one another. We only get this once a year, and now it's here, yeah. It feels like Christmas when we're all in one place. It feels like Christmas, these memories.
If you saw my Christmas shop with me this year, then you saw this sign. I found it at Kirkland's, and I just thought it was too cute to pass up, so I am hanging it right next to my stairway, and then I am just draping a little bit of garland that I also found at Kirkland's over the top.
It feels like Christmas, these memories we make. And all the world is wonderful, it's on display to see. It feels like Christmas, oh yeah. It feels like Christmas to me.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la, la 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 la, 'tis the season.
So this little nook in my kitchen that you're seeing now is usually where I keep my coffee and my coffee maker. But this year I actually set up a hot cocoa bar in my home, which I did film, and it is coming in this series. So stay tuned if you want to see that video. It turned out really cute. But since I moved my coffee maker to that spot, I decided it would be fun to do a little kind of Christmas treat section in the kitchen. So I have cookies, and inside the gingerbread houses, I have candy, and I just think it turned out so cute.
Strike the harp and join the chorus, fa la 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 la, la 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 la. Follow me in merry measure, fa la 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 la. While I tell of Yuletide treasure, fa la 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 la. Fast away the old year passes, fa la 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 la. Hail
everybody tryna go. Yeah, the party jumping off. Hey, we putting on a show. Tryna catch a vibe. We do this every time. Like, na 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 na. Feeling like I'm on the highway. Cause everything been going my way. And now they looking at me sideways. I'm like, na 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 na. This is where I wanna be, na na na. Never ever gonna leave, na na na. You ain't gonna get it from me. I'm like, na 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 na. This is where I wanna stay, na na na. I could do this every day, na na na. It don't matter what they say. I'm like, na 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 na. Say hey. I've been on the wave, it's a party, make a toast. It's a party every day, so anywhere you go, all across the coast, we do it every time. Like, na 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 na. I got nothing but the highlights. Can't believe that this is my life. I'm only living on the bright side. I'm like, na 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 na. This is where I wanna be, na na na. Never ever gonna leave, na na na. You ain't gonna get it from me.
Okay, so let's talk holiday themes for a minute because there are so many beautiful holiday decor trends out there. I'm loving the modern farmhouse theme that I'm seeing everywhere. I've seen some beautiful homes on YouTube and on Instagram decorated in that theme. But leave me a comment below and let me know, what is your favorite trend this year for the holidays? And also let me know how you plan to decorate. What theme are you using? What's your color palette? I want to know, so leave me a comment below. While I love a cohesive home that's decorated in one unified theme, as you will see throughout this video and this entire series, I personally cannot pick just one for Christmas, and I think that's totally okay. I've collected a lot of decor that I love over the years, and it doesn't all necessarily fit the same motif, so I like to use it thoughtfully throughout the house. That being said, I think there's always a way to really tell a beautiful story with your decor, especially during the holidays, and especially with those pieces that have memories for you or just a lot of meaning and that you love. I say if they don't fit your theme, put them out anyway, because all that matters in terms of decor is that you and your loved ones enjoy it throughout the holiday season. Still watching this video, leave me a Christmas tree emoji in the comments below. I just have to say I am so grateful for you taking time out of your day to hang out with me on YouTube a little bit and decorate my house for Christmas with me. If you like these kind of videos, I have holiday videos planned throughout the rest of the season. I'll be posting them every Monday and Thursday at 10 a.m. Central Time. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss those. Again, I just have to say thank you, and I hope you have a really wonderful holiday season.